hang on to your seats. Viewer discretion is advised.
If I can do it, you can do it. And that's guaranteed. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, that was a scary one. It's the giveaway.
It's the giveaway. It's the giveaway.
It's nearly time for the draw. 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 It's nearly time for the raffle.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Gotta be subscribed, otherwise there's no good sitting there. If I could send you all something, I would, you know that much. Or even like that. Dun, 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 dun. It's the dog show. Well, dog, will you flicking stop it, please, for her, you know, Mrs. Money Lots. It's giveaway time. I'm having a few problems with the camera. It keeps going blurry. What? A couple of messages here. One is make a thing for your vice, and the other one is build a boat. Yeah. That was a good idea. Good ideas. Just the UFOs don't come out when you got a camera on you. Put the camera away and they're fucking all over the place. How long it takes me to swear, so fucking flipping. Go and have a flipping party. Oh, fucking chuck. Fucking head. Bollocks. Oh, you fucking piece of junk. Fucking snapped. Bastard, you. The fucking spin tree. Your fucking leg. Fucking doing that. Up you come, you fat fucker. Come on, you fucker. Fucking. This is when you usually start swearing and say bollocks. You're not going to get that back out of there, I'm telling you that much fucking flat out. I haven't fucking used before. So that do not look parallel to me. It's fucking not. They gotta be running fucking good. Why is it that one and not that one? They're both the fucking same. Pull my fucking underpants up. Where's your eye protection? On the end of my fucking nose. Right, it is a song, I'm not pissing you about. Fucking song used to fucking haunt me. Bet it still haunts the person who fucking sung it. Bastard. That's hotter than it fucking looks. It's just shite. No, I was trying to be clever so I don't fucking burn myself. My fingers are fucking... So, you have noticed I haven't swore a lot yet. Well, I don't think I swore very much today. Yodeling dee, that I love, I'm the lady, oh. You're the fella that I love. Hey, you're not the fella. Come on, who sang that? You know you're mad or what? So you see, I'm having a pretty shitty week. I'm gonna go fucking mad. I hope you haven't forgot, it's the giveaway. Say hello. Hiya mates. This is the giveaway. Let's go, let's move it. Right, I'm getting ready to go to the shed, and I got my health and safety gear on, so all you haters can leave me alone this week, hopefully, and let's get out there and do a project. Is it? Cheers. Hi folks, sitting here, watching a live stream. They seem to have finished. Starting to get ready for the giveaway. So wishing you all a luck, obviously. What? Yeah, he's wishing you all a luck as well. So you know, somebody's gonna win. Hello friends and pickle onion eaters. Cider! Cider! Hi folks. There you are. Alright, how's it doing? Hi friends and Babylonians. Hello my friends and good looking people from all over the world. Hello there nut holders. Oh, the devil are you? Hi muckers. Hello friends and people that like barbecues. Hiya friends, I'm off down the pub for the game of darts. Hi friends and people that get bored very quickly. Hello me friends. Hi folks. It is cold. Hi there folks, how the devil are you? Are recording? Good God, thank Christ for that. Because you would have missed some good fucking outtakes. Fucking perfect. It'd be nice to actually let it cool down first, but yeah, you gotta make it up as you go along. You don't. There's no book. There's no books telling you what to do. That is never fucking normal. I'll make you cry for you. Only the lonely. Make sure you're comfortable and make sure you've been playing guitar for 50 years. I'm telling you, because my wrist is stronger than most. See, if it looks bad to me with bad eyes, what's it going to look like to you with good eyes? That's going to go through there, through there, through there, through there, through there, through there.